Okay, class, for tomorrow we're going to be learning about scientific notation. Scientific notation. So tonight, in preparation, I have three objectives. Number one, what is scientific notation? What is scientific notation? How do we convert a number to scientific notation? How do we convert a number to scientific notation? And our third objective is, once we have a number in scientific notation, how do we convert it back to standard form? So, how do we convert a number to standard form? Okay, with the first objective, I'm going to give you a definition of what is scientific notation, but also what I want you to do is go on the internet tonight, go to a few different websites, and come up with your own definition of scientific notation. Okay, and then all of you were emailed a link to Google Slides, and this is where I want you to upload your definition of scientific notation. Okay, so let's go with our first objective. What is scientific notation? Okay, I'm going to give you a definition. Scientific notation is a system developed to abbreviate large numbers. Okay, you can also think of scientific notation as a way is similar to shorthand for large numbers. So you can think of think of scientific notation as shorthand for large numbers. Okay, let's go to our third objective, and we're going to get some practice. Let's say we get a big number and we're going to convert it to scientific notation. Let's look at a big number. Okay, we have 289,000,000. Okay, to convert this number to scientific notation, we could begin with the decimal is, and in this case, the decimal isn't written, but we know that the decimal is here. So we begin here, we count the number of digits going from the right to the left. We count the number of digits until we get to a number that's between 1 and 10. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once we get to the ninth digit, we have a number 2, and we're going to express this as 2.89. 2.89 is between 1 and 10. Okay, then we put times 10, and then we're going to count the digits again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the ninth power. So again, this is our number 2.89 times 10 to the ninth power, and that's what it is in scientific notation. Okay, so what if we get a number like this? It's a really small number, 0.0000073. In this case, we already see the decimal, and we count the digits to the right of the decimal until we get to a number that's between 1 and 10. Okay, so let's count them. Here's the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We count over 6 and we get the number 7.3. Okay, to express this in scientific notation, we write 7.3 times 10, and in this case we counted the digits and we went to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, and so we express this with a negative 7.3 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, those are both scientific notation. Okay, let's go to our third objective, and that is to convert numbers back, when we see them in scientific notation, to convert them back to the original standard form. So let's look at our first number, 2.89 times 10 to the 9th. Okay, in this case, we to get standard form, we had 9 digits. So to convert it back to standard form, we just start 2, and then we count the number of digits 9 times. 8, 9, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, beginning where the decimal is, we count over 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is how the number is expressed in scientific notation, the number between 1 and 10, and this is our standard form, back to our original number. Okay, what about our second number? 7.3 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, in this case, we have our number 7.3. I'm going to write 773. And we count the digits. We had counted to the right. We're going to count to the left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the original number. We start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our decimal goes here. And this is our original number, the really small number. Okay, so this is standard form. This is scientific notation, standard form, scientific notation, standard form. Tomorrow we're going to get a lot of practice with this. You're going to be working on the internet. You're going to be watching YouTube videos. So go to Google Slides, and it has your homework. But if you want to get started on it, these are your homework questions. Besides looking up the definition of scientific notation, I'll give you the hint, or give you a hint. This is going to be a positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay? So good luck with that, and I'll see you tomorrow.